Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, then scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on customization right here. Then select wallpapers. And here we have list of wallpapers we can use on our phone. You can scroll through the list by swiping left and right on it, like this. Find the wallpaper you like to use, tap on it to select it, for example this one. Right here you have a preview how it will look like, you can see. And once you're done, tap on save to save your wallpaper and apply it on your phone, like this. You can also change the wallpaper another way. To do it, simply press and hold on the free space on the home screen between the icons or the widgets, like this. This menu should open. Here tap on wallpapers and now find the wallpaper you like to use. Select it, tap on save to apply it on your phone. And that's how you change the wallpaper on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.